We all know when my constitution is allowing me to wear the hijab inside the class, outside the class, in the road, in the malls, then there are no one to stop me.
Aliya Assadi, leader of Udupi hijab protest, criticized expelled BJP MLA Raghupati Bhat on X, highlighting the irony of his expulsion after he expelled her from college for wearing a hijab. Assadi remarked, "God will do what he wishes," pointing out that Bhat's party expelled him after he removed her from college just 60 days before exams for wearing a hijab. Bhat, a three-time MLA from Udupi, was expelled on May 26 for rebelling against the BJP. Bhat blamed outsiders from Kerala and Hyderabad for worsening the hijab issue and claimed most Muslim students were content without the hijab, despite protests indicating otherwise. The hijab controversy began in December 2021 when 6 Udupi students were barred from classes for wearing hijabs, leading to statewide protests and counter-protest by Hindu students. On March 15, 2022, the Karnataka High Court upheld the hijab ban, asserting that students must adhere to school rules.